Hello, Abuti.
Molweni bantwana.
Can you teach us how to say my name is in isiXhosa?
Igama lam ngu Abuti.
That sounds easy. Show us some more.
Molo, igama lam ngu Abuti.
Molo, igama lam ngusisi.
Molo, igama lam ngu Abuti.
Molo, igama lam ngusera.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. In this phrase, igama means name. The lam means of mine. And in this context, ngu means is. So we're really saying name of mine is.
Molo, igama lam ngu Abuti.
Molo, igama lam ngu Joseph.
Molo, igama lam ngu Abuti.
And now you can say my name is in isiXhosa. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids.